Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the hardware, a Bluetooth module like HC05 or a USB dongle, a Raspberry Pi or Arduino, power and wiring. Start by powering the controller off and connecting ground first, then VCC and TX/RX lines. This prevents spikes. Wire TX of module to RX of controller and vice versa, and add a level shifter if the module expects 3V. Once done, double-check polarity and connections, because correct voltage, once wired, power the board and enter configuration mode to set baud and behavior. You send it commands to change baud rate, name, pin, and role. This makes the module discoverable and compatible with your target device. On a Raspberry Pi, enable the serial port and start the Bluetooth service, or install a Bluetooth stack so the OS sees the module. Make sure to save settings, otherwise they revert. This step solves common mismatch problems between host and module. Now you pair the configured module with your phone or computer and run a real test transfer so you can verify audio or serial data flows. If pairing fails, use the module LED and a serial monitor to check for responses and connection status. These clues tell you if the problem is wiring, power, or configuration. If needed, reset the module, reflash firmware, or adjust baud and PIN. Once stable, mount the module in an enclosure and secure antenna placement for consistent range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.